I get the question all the time. The cops didn't read me my rights. What does that mean? It's Dade Magilligan from Magilligan Law, and it's one of those questions that inevitably once, twice a week, someone comes into me and asks the same question. I was arrested, I was taken into custody, booked, and released. At no point did anyone read me my rights. What does that mean? And the answer is, it may not mean, unfortunately, it might not mean that much. If Miranda is a very specific protection, if you're arrested, if you're in custody, and the police ask you questions, and they did not read you your rights, then those statements, the things you say, the answers to those questions back to the police could be excluded in the future at a trial. So if the police didn't ask you any questions, or that was not you didn't make any statements, then Miranda, the fact that they didn't read you Miranda isn't necessarily a big deal to your case. Now, if you did give statements and you were in custody and they didn't read you Miranda, it definitely could impact the investigation. It could impact a case against you if it went to trial. But but in terms of, was it going to be some sort of automatic dismissal or file a motion to dismiss? No, it's more of a procedural thing to keep those statements out. And remember, if you do talk to law enforcement before you're in custody, anything you say to them, in theory, could be admitted in a trial in the future. That's why you always have to be cautious if you're approached by law enforcement to talk to you about something that they might be investigating. If you're not in custody, they don't have to read you Miranda. So anything you say at that point could be used against you later at a trial. This is Dave Magilligan. I wanted to give you some content about this issue. I know there have been a lot of questions about it. We have other videos, more content on our channel, so please subscribe. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye.